Hello, this is Joe Pryor of the virtualrealestateteam.com in Oklahoma City. I want to talk again about the Oklahoma City real estate market conditions in November of 2015. You know, we've been complaining a lot, and we're not the only city that complains this way, that inventory is just not out there. There's not enough houses to buy. And part of the problem when it has these market conditions is prices tend to go up because of supply and demand. Well, I'll give you some good news and some bad news. The good news is that if we look back at September and October, and we look at the amount of homes for sale in the greater Oklahoma City market, the good news is we're 6% up over the houses that were on the market in September and October from last year. So finally, people are starting to list their homes. Now, does that mean that there's more homes to sell? Yes. But here's the negative. Here's the bad news. Our sales were up 12%, 6% increase over last year for homes for sale, but a 12% increase of those homes selling. So again, our inventory is shrinking. This indicates, again, the Oklahoma City diversity in its economy. We've had certain sectors that have had some issues, but there's always other sectors that are doing extremely well. And that is the real key to the Oklahoma City market. Population growth, diversity, job increase. That is what's making the market really, really go. Now, the one thing I want to talk to is a little bit about a national trend also, and that is in job creation. We just got the report yesterday and today that jobs increased last month by a factor of 271,000 jobs were created. Now, we know we have a robust economy where we're averaging 200,000 jobs created every month. In fact, in about the last 4 years, this has been the greatest era of job creation in the 20th or 21st century in the United States. And so the market keeps getting better and better. And finally, we're starting to see wages increase. Now, what this means is every time the Fed meets, we always hear these rumors about them raising prices, raising the Fed rate, which would cause your mortgage to increase in terms of what your interest rate is going to be on a 30-year loan. But what we're really seeing right now, and we really need to watch in December what the November statistics are going to be and what the Christmas season is looking like, because there's a strong emphasis right now on the Feds raising interest rates in December. And so if you are a buyer or a seller, you need to act if you're really serious about doing things. Look at the stats from the last 2 months, 6% increase in inventory, but a 12% increase in sales. This means that there's a lot of pent-up demand out there. There's a lot of people qualified for mortgages at this time. And you need to act because those buyers want you. There is a greater number of buyers still than there are sellers. And our appraisals are working in Oklahoma City. Rarely do we ever see something not appraising. So the market conditions are good. The market conditions are getting better in the United States in terms of the economy. We've just signed, what I'm so glad about is that about a 2-year moratorium on people trying to shut the government down that could possibly destroy or damage the economy. It's looking good for the future. It's looking good for higher interest rates. Now is the time for sellers to get on the market because the buyers are there. Oklahoma City is doing terrifically well. This is Joe Pryor of the virtualrealestateteam.com in Oklahoma City, where we deliver traditional real estate values at the speed of technology.